press pause and answer the question.
All right, now we have the same data set, but we're going to do all kinds of things to it because we made an error and we have a limited amount of information about the error, and we have to figure out all the correct numbers, or at least some of them. So the scientists conducting the survey discovered that 10 people who were right-handed were incorrectly coded into the singleton section. So right here, instead of 240, we should have a number that's 230, okay? And then it probably will change some other numbers like this one, but we're not going to worry about that right now. And they should have been listed as either an identical twin or a fraternal twin. So those 10 people who were coded as singletons are twins, but we're not sure if they're identical or fraternal yet. Upon correcting the errors, the percent of identical twins that was right-handed was exactly 80%. So the percent that was right-handed, that's this category here, was 80% of the identical twins were right-handed. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up with some extra number. There's some extra number here that we can add to 38 that will then get us to 80% of the total. Now you may be tempted to say, okay, 38 plus x over 48 equals 80%. However, you would be wrong because not only did we add some number of right-handed people to the identical twins row, but we also need to add that same number to the total. So that 48 now is going to become something higher. Maybe it'll be 5 higher or 7 higher or 3 higher, but it's going to be some number higher, and it's going to be 48 plus x. So now instead of looking for 38 plus x over 48, we actually need to look at 38 plus x over 48 plus x because we have some additional number of identical twins that we had not counted before. So from that, we can say, okay, let's cross multiply. So 38 plus x equals 0.8 times 48 plus x. And so 38 plus x equals 0.8 times 48 plus 0.8x. And then we can take these two numbers and multiply them and get 38.4. So we have 38 plus x equals 38.4 plus 0.8x. Then we can subtract 38 from both sides. So we have x equals 0.4 plus 0.8x. And then we can subtract 0.8x from both sides. And we have 0.2x equals 0.4. And we can divide both those sides by 0.2, or we can just look at it and say 0.2 times what equals 0.4. And the answer is x equals 2. Now that doesn't tell us the answer to the problem. We have a couple more steps until we get there. So then we know that this number is 2 extra. Of those 10 people that were miscoded here, 2 of them went to there. And that leaves 8 of them that went to there. So we have 73 plus 8 as fraternal twins that are right-handed. And that's the question. What is the correct number of fraternal twins who are right-handed? And the answer is 73 plus 8, which is 81.